All right, so I want to talk about some income streams. And I'm talking about income streams because I heard somebody talking the other day and they mentioned income streams, revenue streams, and I hear that all the time. And I think about, okay, I know people know that they're probably the same, but I want to give some understanding on how they are similar, income stream and revenue streams. So it's not just going to be this one video, it's going to be a couple videos. So, yeah, what I'm going to talk about right now is the top income streams for individuals and businesses where they can vary based on industry, skill set, and market trends, right? So here are 5 common and potentially worthwhile income streams. And of course, I have to share my screen because we're talking about accounting, and accounting can be challenging at times. Okay, boom, share my screen. And accounting, the language of business. If you're in business, accounting means a lot, right? So just given some of this knowledge, have money, count your own bag, right? Because if you understand about just certain ways to count your bag, right, then it's essential in business. We should know how to do that, and not just rely on people to do that for us, or if they're doing it for us, we want to understand what that means, what they're talking about when they do talk to us about our money in business. All right, so again, top 5 common streams. The first one is going to be employment, where that's regular salary or wages from a job. Okay, we're all familiar with that, right? Work. The primary source of income, which is what we've been taught, and how people make money for the most part, right? Business income. Now, if you're somebody that's aggressive, right? You're like, okay, I got a full-time job, but then I also have a second stream of income with a side hustle, side business, whatever it may be. And so that's owning a business such as retail, services, or e-commerce, whatever kind of earnings from owning and operating a business. That's what that is, right? And then we talk about investment income, stocks, bonds, and mutual fund returns. And so that's returns from investments in those instruments, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Then we talk about rental income, revenue from leasing or renting out property, such as residential or commercial real estate, right? That's what rental income is. Then we talk about dividend income, payments received from owning shares in dividend-paying companies. So if we look at revenue, the third one on this list, investment income, and you have stocks, whatever company that you have stocks in may also provide dividends, right? On a quarterly, monthly basis, whatever it may be, they add an additional layer of income that they just give to all of their shareholders. So that's what dividend income is. And I wanted to highlight that because I'm like, okay, so that's owning shares in dividend paying firms, but this is investing in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. So the stocks are going to go up or go down, whatever. It doesn't matter which way the stocks go, but that firm says, I'm going to pay my shareholders a dividend each month. And that, I think it's monthly or quarterly. I have to look that up. But anyway, some companies do pay dividends. Not all of them do, but some firms pay dividends. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen, and I am going to talk about a couple of other revenue income streams. So there, I just said revenue. We talk about revenue, that's essentially for income, essentially for business income. So when you're in business, you hear a lot about revenue income. So I'll talk more about that in a different video. But the other ones that in my research that I found was royalties, income from royalties, freelancing, and consulting. But to me, that's the same as business income. So I would throw it in that bucket if it were me. Online business ventures, revenues from online activities such as affiliate marketing, blogging, and e-commerce. Again, business income. But so I might lay that out a different way on a slide or something like that. Passive income from digital products, and to me, business income, but earnings from creating and selling digital products like eBooks, courses, software, or apps. And then there's interest income, which to me, I'm not, I'm thinking of, and that's an investment income type of thing. Interest earned from savings accounts, certificates of deposit, and other interest-bearing accounts. So there you have it, the top 5 common income streams. And I'm going to talk more about revenue and how that correlates with income, because I think it's essential from an accounting standpoint to understand where they're equal and where they may be different, but they're really the same thing. Like I said, revenue is just commonly used in the language of business, not necessarily individuals. When we talk about individuals, then that's when we talk about income, or that's the common phrase for money coming in to your household or into your business. If you have a family business or something. But anyway, income, wages, and salaries. That's what I correlate income with. All right. J Rambus Consulting, Count Your Own Bag is my handle on YouTube. And jrambus.com is my email site. Schedule a consultation, and I will see you soon.